I'm Chris Medley. I'm the Chief Executive of Landways, which is a new business that's been formed to look into high-density venues and putting in place digital infrastructure. We connect phones. At the end of the day, if you go to a lot of these high-density locations, your phone works either very poorly or not at all. And so what we're doing is making sure that, first of all, you get connectivity so that you can get online and that users can do things. But on top of that, we're trying to make sure that people can also then connect to the site that they're in. So a good example would be in a sports stadium context. Imagine walking to the stadium and your smartphone is now your ticket. You're greeted to the stadium because you're recognized as who you are. You can make transactions while you're in the stadium. You can order food, you can order drink. And the system remembers who you are and what your preferences are and makes better and better suggestions to you over time. Until you can actually connect all smartphone devices, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to provide these services. After that, it's really about painting a picture to people about what the art of the possible is. Fortunately for us, this market is developing quite quickly in the United States. So if you go to Stadia there, you'll find these kind of offers. People will guide you to your parking space as you arrive at the stadium digitally. Remember who you are, have your ticket on your phone, be able to place a bet or to be able to order merchandise.
My name is Chris Brunel, founder and managing director of Urban Zoo. You have stores, or you have retailers, or you have brands which have customers and loyal followers. Sports fans are very loyal and a very different bunch, and I think because clubs have such a loyal fan base, they feel the confidence to try new things within technology. So whilst we concentrate on engaging with the fans and how we can enhance their experience, whether they're at stadium or out of stadium, clubs seem to have a real keen need or desire to start looking at leading edge technologies. So I think one of the issues is connectivity and technology within stadium. So a lot of these traditional stadiums are large buildings. They've got no real kind of connectivity based in them. So we're working with a number of companies, Huawei, Landways, to help fulfill that kind of need or the connectivity need. So those guys will install infrastructure, and then we can use that infrastructure to re-engage live with fans whilst they're in the ground or in the stadium.